Hello friends, this is creative drawing and it can be easily done with the help of your finger impressions. So let's do it. First of all, I am making the stem of the tree. Now I am making the branches of this tree. Like the same in the video, make the branches. Now I am going to make the base of the tree. Now first of all I am going to color the part which I have drawn with black color. You can choose brown color as well. So with black color I am going to color the stem and the branches. Now I am outlining the whole drawing with the black sketch color. Now to draw the tree with the finger impressions, first of all in a bowl I have taken this green color, green painting color. Right, now I am going to dip a finger and then impress the finger onto the drawing like in the video. Yes, I am doing finger impressions. You need to do like same as in the video. Wow, my tree is done. It's looking cool. Thank you for watching the video. Please subscribe our channel. Thanks again.